Hey, it's Will here with Aero Velocity, and today we are in Dayton, Ohio, the birthplace of aviation, and I'm going to be guest speaking at the Sinclair College UAS Aviation Department and talking about careers in the drone industry, along with my coworkers Alan and PJ, who are alumni of Sinclair's UAS program, and we're going to be sharing what it's like working with drones and exploring different avenues and careers within the drone industry. And so I just want to thank Tommy Sunderhaus, the UAS program coordinator at Sinclair, for inviting us up. Thanks. These two aircraft here are, one's a workhorse Falcon, the other one's a workhorse Horsefly. These were two of the aircraft that I was a test pilot on a couple years ago. So pretty cool seeing them here.